So, what are the different components of performance marketing strategy? And like, if somebody who's a very amateur at this, how can that person, what are the things that he should keep in mind regarding this?
Uh, I think the different components of performance marketing. I mean, there are a lot of components, but one thing you have to understand is in performance marketing, you are spending money. You're burning someone else's money, or you're burning your own money. So you have to burn that money the right way. That is the entire concept. How do you do that the right way is first, performance marketing, you do not have to jump at the conclusion. You have to think to the problem. You have to break down the problem. You have to break down the business problem or the business objective first. Then you have to understand where exactly your audience is present. Need not necessarily that your audience is present on the digital platform. If not, then you need to identify then what all channels my audience is present. And then accordingly, after you have selected the audience, you have to also understand what could be the right mix of media that my audience will resonate. Is it a video? Is it a single banner? Is it a GIF image? So you have to understand the PG first. You have to understand the business objective first, then the channel, and then accordingly push marketing campaigns on these channels. If you do this the right way, you will have tremendous results. See, selecting the audience, selecting, understanding the objective will make or break your marketing strategy. So I think it is very important to understand, the business and the channel first, and then accordingly take a call.
Okay, okay.